This is so pretty. I love it. I love it. The price tag, $328 is what it was sold for. And you can bet your bottom dollar. I didn't pay that. I didn't pay that. Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing today? Today is another episode of our HENRI BENDEL series that we're doing. So after this one, there should be one more, and then that's all I have right now. I haven't been able to find anything, but I'm very happy that I found this one. This is so pretty. I love it. I love it. I started my series because of Saya from Frozen Luxury. If you have not heard about Saya from Frozen Luxury, I will link him below. He has been around YouTube for many years. He has several channels and things that he's done, and here's the green box. Okay, it's a little hard to take it out, so I'll be right back. Here, Bean Beauties, I'm back. This is the box, the green box from the Real that I always end up, and I purchased these. It's not, I know I had somebody comment that, and all the time that they have purchased handbags from the Real, here, let's move you back. From the Real, they've never gotten a green box, but I pay for them. I pay the extra $5 to get them shipped in a box. Otherwise, they just get in a brown box, no stuffing, and they fly around. And I had a bad incident. It wasn't Real's fault. It was the post office's fault. My box got squished, and there was literally a big hole in it, and they taped it up. But there was still a hole. Had I not purchased a green box, the handbag I bought was a clutch, a Ferragamo, and it was small. It would have fallen through the hole. I tested it, and it would have fallen through the hole. So, but because it was in the box, it didn't. So that's why I would buy them just for the packaging factor, because I'm a freak that way. But now I buy them out of necessity. I'm like, okay, I just rather pay the extra $5 and have a little bit more care for the item than the way they do it. And they make tons of money, but you know, they can't splurge for free. And you know, this box doesn't cost $5 for them to purchase. So, but here it is in the box, and they usually wrap it with tissue, and here it is. I forgot that it came in a dust bag. Okay, hold on, let me put this down, be right back. So here is the HENRI BENDEL bag, and oh, I think this is a favorite bag. I saw it, I had to get it. The description in the Real is that it's leather. It has some other stuff that I'll read to you in a little while, because I can't give away what it is yet. But here it is. Whoop! Oh, wow. Look at that. Cue the music. It does have a crossbody, and it does have some room. And hold on. I saw this and I thought, oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I just could not pass it up. Here's the front. Here, and let's see. It does say HENRI BENDEL right here on the hardware there. Here's the side. Here's the back. It also says HENRI BENDEL right here. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom. It's even got feet. Look at that. Gorgeous feet. Here's the top. So it's a top handle, which is, I love a top handle, and it has a crossbody. It has 3 adjustments for the, you can put it here. So if you have a little bit more, you can put on the bottom one. There's a center, and then there is the very top one, which if you want to put on the very top one, you have to squeeze it down there. So there's the profile for the very top one, profile for the center, and then profile for the bottom. So you open it up, and it's just an open cavern here, and it has a it says it's a jacquard lining, very smooth. Way down there in the bottom, there's like a little pink, I don't know if you can see it, little leather strip that has where it says Henri Bendel on it. And on this back wall here, this is a structure bag, so that's why I'm not really getting to show y'all. But back here, it has a little bar with the bow that has Henri Bendel on it, and it has a zipper back pocket, which is a very very good zipper. It opens very good. And oh look, it has the little Henri Bendel. Oh, it's the price tag. The price tag, $328 is what it was sold for. And you can bet your bottom dollars I didn't pay that. I didn't pay that. I did get it on sale. It was the last, I usually only shop in the last items, where they call the last items, the sale items, the last chance items or something like that. And it was listed at $135, and then it went down to 10% off, $120, $150. So I was happy with that. And it was $5 for the gift box. Sales tax is $12.38. Shipping was $14.95, a grand total of $167.33. A little pricey for what I normally like to buy my mind for, but for this bag is gorgeous. Oh, look, and it does, I didn't see, it has a back pocket. It's a magnetic back pocket. Let's see if my cell phone will fit in it. Hold on. Okay, and then here's the rear roll tag, but when it's on the last chance items, they don't what? They don't attach them to the bag a lot of times when it's the last chance, because you don't have to worry about cutting it off. It also comes with this little, it says the brand story. Oh, good. That's cute. Let me read this to y'all. Henri Bendel was a fearless innovator, a leading arbiter of women's fashion, and a passionate explorer of the new and the next. He was born in Louisiana, right next door. He was born in Louisiana in 1868 and moved to New York to work as a milliner. He opened his own shop in Greenwich Village, and when he registered his own trademark in 1895, the Henri Bendel brand was officially born. Henri Bendel quickly became a taste maker and courtier to the elite, and his boutique became a beacon of luxury. In 1907, his now legendary brown and white striped shopping bag and hat box became a symbol that is still recognizable over a century later. A branding and retail visionary, Henri Bendel was the first retailer with an Upper Fifth Avenue store, the first to stage a fashion show, and the first to offer in-store makeovers. A true pioneer. He is also credited with introducing Coco Chanel. Wow, that's amazing. And countless other designers to the U.S. market. Today, Henri Bendel continues to translate the spirit and energy of New York City with handbags, jewelry, and gifts that surprise and delight fashionable women from around the world. Now with multiple stores throughout the U.S., including an iconic Fifth Avenue flagship, the rich heritage still lives on to make the chic shopping destination the ultimate girls' playground. I would have loved to see that store. Let me know if y'all are familiar with Henri Bendel, if y'all have ever been to the store, if y'all purchased anything from him over the years, if y'all knew anything about him. I didn't know anything about Henri Bendel until Saya from Frozen Luxury talked about it, and I fell in love with what the store looked like. It was just such beautiful beautiful store. And then I started kind of investigating different things and looking for different items. And it's really sad that the line is gone. He has branding here on these little brads here. I don't see any scratches on here at all. At all. On the bottom. I don't see them on the bottom either. Let's see how this fits. Okay. Normally, I always do it at the very last on these type of straps to fit my body. Oh, see, squirrel. I left, came back, got distracted. I found some, let me just attach these. I was going to show y'all if the phone fit in the back pocket. Okay, let me just follow through with this, then we'll go back to the phone. So here it is, crossbody. It's kind of short. I'll need a chain extender. And let's see. Yeah, because this doesn't go down, so with it not going down, it pushes up on the breast area, and it's not a very good look. In an emergency, I could use it if I don't find a chain extender, or if I forget to put a chain extender on it. There's a lot of times, like, I like to put them in like this. Definitely works. And then of course it fits in there. It's a little snug. Like I said, this bag is structured, so it is definitely a little bit difficult to put the phone in, but you can take it out. So, once I start using it, it does have the ostrich embossed pattern on here, which I think it looks really good in this type of bag. Let me read you the description now of the bag. It says HENRI BENDEL leather handle bag. It says HENRI BENDEL top handle bag, pink leather, gold tone hardware, flat handles. Yep, flat handles, and single adjustable shoulder strap. Single exterior pocket. So here's the exterior pocket. Jacquard lining, the turn lock and closure at the front, protective feet, and the desk bag. All that's correct for a change. Actually, I've really only had one bag that was mislabeled that I know of. I'll put the measurements up here for you of the measurements of this bag. And this came in very good condition. It says minor residue at hardware, minor scratches at base. So the base down here, they're very minor that, like, I can't see without putting my readers on. But it's just beautiful. Love it. Love it. All right, Bean Beauties, I hope you're enjoying this series. I have one more left, and it's a whopper of a video. Yes, I do. I have a special guest star to come on there, and I hope you enjoy it. So see you next week. Love you.